Okay, on film music tagline, we're still cruising on with director of all directors, controversy in Nigeria, the director of directors. I mean, LAABO yet. Camera young my young middle class way, then you come from Guama. Before I got the interview, solo cumulative record,
Cumulative record, the baby.
One night the class, okay, about competition album like TMP Studios. You can't support it. It's like almost all the shows in North. Teaching to Tonya, he done the great works and it supports the music industry. So Katuba to me like what is the experience? They are matching that's on part just the engine industry so that you do more.
Well, but we should keep on doing this. The way we think attendance is very massive. I got to lay price, man. Normal got to VIP 100 cedi. It's not easy. For someone to pay 100 cedi, can you never share and 50 cedi? Charlie, it's not easy. So we need to appreciate the artists on what they are doing. And this is something new. We are seeing a lot of new things here, and we really appreciate what the people are doing. And we are always here to support them.
Okay, that's director LAABO for you, and this is a Tangman question. Kayambo, the music videos. Ashilman Yelazene most relevant. You be in a Pankashap Kedurba, I got your Quaba. Can I change your key system, man? What is the secret behind TMP Studio? Kabiakam Karpunya in a Napo.
Take a secret, now you go, Bella.
I don't believe it.
Now you come, Bella.
Okay, since
when you are determined to do something, come on, now you are now someone more go song up. So I'm not determined now bomb show. Now I'm going to assist them.
Okay, since we are in Africa, we still believe because Africa are big now. You are meant to believe. Okay, we are happy and grateful to have Director LAABO on Film Music tagline. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.